In this video, you will see how to load Grammarly and read aloud a text-to-speech to your Chrome browser. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are logged into your school Chrome browser over here. So I am right now. This is under my student email. So you want to make sure that you're logged into that Google account. Then you want to go to your search engine and you want to just type in Grammarly Chrome extension. When you do that and you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this, and the Grammarly symbol looks like this. And what you'll have over here is Add Chrome Extension. So you'll click on it and it will add it to the top of your screen. The second one that you're going to want to add, so Grammarly will go through your papers, it will fix your spelling and your grammar, and it will also look into the tone of your papers. You can add this to your email, you can add this to Word documents, you can keep it in Chrome. So the second one that you'll want to do is read aloud a text-to-speech voice reader. So you'll just type in, again, to your Google search engine, read aloud Chrome extension. This is the one you want. It has this little megaphone. The way this will help you is any text that you find, whether it's on the internet or if it's a long document that the teachers have given you, it can be a PDF, it can be a Google document, whatever it is, you highlight the text and you click the extension in the top corner. It will look just like this megaphone and it will read the text out loud to you. This is also a good way to check your papers and make sure that your papers say what you meant for them to say. One place I can show you that this will go is up here in the top corner. This is where you will see them.